All right, gang, welcome back. We're going to do today the $25 ultralight camping chair from ALDI for hiking and camping. Is it worth it? Is it not? We've got it right here. So as you can see, we've got some little tags on there too. We'll take some pictures, put them up for you. So ultralight camping chair, good for camping, hiking, and outdoor activity. No duh. Some specs on it. So yeah, we'll put those up. And product weight is 900 grams. So just under a kilo, 120 kilos max weight. It's pretty good. I think for what it's paying for is $25, so quite cheap. There are some other products out there. The Helinox has one that's exactly the same, and it goes from anywhere from 120 minimum up to like 160, depending on where you get it from and what you're getting. And it has a 5-year warranty on it, but that's only for manufacturing faults. So if you just break it, you're kind of shit out of luck. The price point for this, $25. I've had mine for a little bit now and I've quite enjoyed it. Comes with all these parts, pretty easy to assemble. They all want to lock into place. So it just comes apart. They're all attached. There we go, that one there. And there we have our chair already set. And we've just got our little fabric here, and that just goes on over the top. So we'll place it on. One goes on there. It has these little pull tabs that you can easily get tension to get them aligned into place. And if you can see that there we have it. All assembled. Quite easy, quite quick, quite good. We'll put a proper picture of it up and me just chilling in it on the screen, but as you can see, it's pretty easy to assemble, pretty easy to use. For the price point, definitely worth it, because ALDI chairs, only $25, where the Helinox is much dearer. By my redneck math, that equals if you bought 2 of these chairs a year, you would still be under the price point for 1 Helinox, paying full price. So much more worth it. The only discrepancy is they are about half the weight. The weight carrying thing is a bit of a deal sometimes for people, or a deal breaker, but the packaging has like a molly attachment there, has little carry handles. That this has been living in my car, and it's just a setup one for when I go to range or when I need a seat for some reason. The only negative is that it is quite short, but ALDI did fix that because they now make the little table that matches this set. So now if you get the table, it works quite well. It also works quite well if you've got like a little Bunsen burner stove. That if you're going hiking and that, it's really handy because you're lower to the ground. And actually having a seat is much more preferable to actually sitting on a mat or sitting on the dirt and the ground. It just kind of makes that comfort level a bit more plus. So yes, you can get the bougie, more expensive one, but for this price point, I definitely say the $25 ALDI camping chair, well worth the money. Can't have any knocks on it at all. Like, subscribe, but $25 ALDI camping chair, definitely check it out. Catch you in the next one.